step-by-step guide to remove copyright video. 1. Identify the copyright issue. Open YouTube Studio https://studio.youtube.com. Go to Content, look for the video with the copyright claim marked with the copyright symbol. Click See Details to view the claim type, for example, audio, visual content. 2. Types of copyright issues and solutions. Type solution. Copyright claim, contented claim. No penalty, but might block monetization. Copyright strike, more serious. Requires action to avoid penalties. 3. Methods to remove copyright video. Trim out the copyrighted content. Open YouTube Studio Content, select the video. Click See Details under the copyright notice. Choose Trim Out segment. YouTube will cut the claimed part. Click Save. It may take some time to process. B. Replace copyrighted music. Go to Editor in YouTube Studio. Locate the copyrighted audio. Select Replace Song. Choose Free Music from YouTube's library. Click Save. C. Mute the copyrighted audio. Open Editor, select the claimed section. C. Mute the copyrighted audio. Open Editor, select the claimed section. Click Mute Song, save. D. Reupload after editing. Download the video, edit it using video editing software, for example, CapCut, Film, or AA. Remove or replace copyrighted content. Upload the edited version. Delete the old video after the new one is uploaded. 4. If you have permission or fair use. If you have permission, submit a dispute with proof license, written permission. If it's fair use for commentary, criticism, or parody, explain it clearly in the dispute. 5. Prevent future copyright issues. Use YouTube Audio Library for free music. Create original content or get permission for copyrighted material. Use websites like Pixabay, Ben Sound, or Free Music Archive for free resources. Copyright protects original works like music, videos, images, and more. When you use someone else's content without permission, YouTube detects it through content and can apply copyright claim, content claim, no strike. But monetization may be disabled or revenue sent to the copyright owner. Copyright strike, more serious, affecting your channel's ability to upload, monetize, or even risk termination if you get 3 strikes. How to check for copyright issues. Open YouTube Studio https://studio.youtube.com. Go to Content. Check for videos with a copyright notice, copyright. Click and See Details to understand the claim. Types of copyright issues. How to remove copyright content. Trim out copyrighted segment, easy and quick. Open YouTube Studio Content, click the video. Under the copyright claim, choose See Details. Select Trim Out segment. Confirm and save changes. Note: YouTube will automatically remove the copyrighted portion without affecting the rest. Replace copyrighted audio for music claims. Go to Editor in YouTube Studio. Locate the audio section. Click Replace Song, select